Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our classes. Today we are going to do page 92, the second part. Let's get down to it. Okay, so remember ba. Okay, remember in the first half we did put an arrow under a ba with a sukoon. Okay, so I told you whenever you read this page, make sure you have a pencil so that I can tell you where to put an arrow. Okay, abe, 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 soro, abe, soro, abe, soro. Repeat this word 20 times. Abe, soro, abe, soro, abe, soro. If you get this one is going to be easy. Atqana, atqana, atqa, and na. Atqana, atqana, atqana. Repeat it 20 times. Atqana, abasara, atqana. Then we have here athqala, athqala, fa, athqala, athqala, athqalu, 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 athqalu. Easy peasy. Now here we were supposed to have a sukun, okay? We were supposed to have a sukun here, okay? And put an arrow, okay? So remember we have an arrow on the ba and an arrow under the jim, okay? So aje, aje, okay? This was a typo. It's supposed to be a sukun, okay? Aje libu, aje libu, aje libu, aje libu, aje libu, aje libu, aje libu. Easy peasy. Then we have boro, 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 boro. Repeat it 20 times before you go to the next one. Then we have akhraja, 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 ahbara, akhraja, ahbara, akhraja. Easy peasy. Ude, remember dal. What did we say about dal? We put an arrow, okay? So we have ba with a sukun and arrow, jim with a sukun and arrow, dal with a sukun and arrow, okay? Ude riku, ude riku, ude riku, ude riku, ude riku, ude riku, ude riku. Then we have adhlafa, adhlafa, okay? Azlafa and also adhlafa. Okay, we're going to do what is here, okay? Adhlafa, adhlafa, adhlafa. So we have abasara, atqana, athqalu, ajalibu, ahdara, akhraja, akhraja, udriku, udriku, adhlafa, adhlafa. Okay, now let's go to this other part here. That's better, right? That's better, right? Then we have arghabu. This also is supposed to be a sukun, okay? This is also supposed to be a sukun, so change it into a sukun, okay? So we have arghabu, arghabu, okay? This is supposed to be what? A sukun. Arghabu, arghabu, arghabu. Now repeat it 20 times before you go to the next one. Az'umu, 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 az'umu. Repeat it 20 times before you go to the next one. Uslimu, uslimu. Listen to me. Uslimu, uslimu. Easy peasy. Repeat it 20 times before you go to the next one. Ashkuru, 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 ashkuru. Then you have asbiru, 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 asbiru. Repeat it 20 times before you go to the next one. أضعف, أضاد, bod, أضعف, أضعف, bod, أضعف. I know bod is a bit tricky, but you're going to get it. Keep on practicing it. أضعف, أضعف, أضعف. Repeat it 20 times before you go to the next one. أطو. Okay, put an arrow under here. Okay, So we have 4 letters with the arrows. We have the dal, ba, jim, and to. We have one more. Okay, you're going to get it. Ato, ato, lubu, ato, lubu, ato, to. Don't say to. It's not to. It's not tu. It's not ti. It's to. Ato, 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 lubu, ato, lubu, ato, lubu, ato, lubu, ato, lubu, ato, lubu. Then we have أظلم أظلم أظلم. Okay, أظلم. Okay, now let's repeat from the beginning one more time quickly. Let me show you how you're supposed to be reading it. Okay, you're supposed to read it like أبصر أبصر أتقن أتقن أثقل أثقل أجلب أجلب أحضر أحضر أخرج أخرج أدرك أدرك أذلف أذلف أرغب أرغب أزعم أزعم أسلم أسلم أشكر أشكر أصبر أصبر. Oh, you can say it, sorry. أصبر أصبر أضعف أضعف أطلب 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 أظلم أظلم. Inshallah مع السلامة. Thank you for watching. See you in the next page. Please repeat it. This page should be easy peasy lemon squeeze. مع السلامة. Thank you for watching.